Sorry about that, guys. I got a phone call, business related, so I had to take it right in the middle of filming. So then I was driving up there where I was a couple minutes ago, and a big chunk of that wire from like the power people leave behind got caught on my rear axle. Spun around there a couple hundred times, so that took a little while to get undone. So I'll just mosey on up here. That's rough. Ew, they're picking cranberries, so I'm gonna... Oh, bad though. So this will be part 2 to that series. I know in one of my earlier videos, I think it was Honda 4Trax riding part 1, I did some shoutouts to a couple guys. I got one of his names wrong. Canyon Audi 400 is his name. Look him up, he's awesome. I like watching his videos. So washed out here. Whoa-ho. Little Honda. Whoa. They surprised me and they were up there waiting. It's bumpy. What's going on over there? That's new. Wow. I'd also like to make a shout out to The Outdoorsman. That's my friend. He is a 420 rancher. He does some pretty good videos. He's just getting started. But subscribe to him anyways. He'll have more good videos to come probably. Fourth gear, full throttle. Well guys, I guess the end of the video here. Thanks for watching my videos. Like and subscribe to my channel.